Yo guys, we had to go real plain for this one right here. You guys see the basic white tee, the basic black and white Bison's cap, man, to go perfectly with the Air Jordan 1 black and whites. No cool name for these. That's literally all they're marketing as. That's what they brand them on the sneakers app and all that good stuff. The black and white Air Jordan 1 highs. We're gonna do this full review on feet for you guys. So let's get right into today's video. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. You guys already know what we're talking about today, man. I want to get you guys' own feet. I know there's a lot of people, probably like, yo, should I just wait on these? Should I pull the trigger now? What they look like on feet and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna try my best to give you guys the best on feet, the best little, in-depth review over the sneakers, so you guys can see what you want to do. Pay that retail tag, or probably wait a little bit when these probably or most likely will go on sale, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, this is something we do all the time, man. And you guys subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So hey, without further ado, man, hit that like button and let's hop into the video. I did want to highlight the box right here, man. Just like the sneaker, you got a basic black and white Air Jordan 1 box. Usually we get the red and the black, Nike Air Jordan 1 box, but this one right here, you guys see the white Nike up top with the Nike brand all the way around it. And the official colorway reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG black, white, and white. And I got these things in size 9.5, and I did get these early from the Goat app. So whoever did sell these to them, they probably already had them on consignment or something like that, because they literally have the full breakdown, the sneaker on a separate sticker on this side, man. But don't worry about that. Your sneaker will not come like that. I got these from Goat early, so don't even worry about that, man. But back to the sneaker right here, man. You guys can see it, bro. It's really simple. It's a very basic sneaker, which I really thought people would like, due to the fact that you can wear this for a lot of different things. Sometimes Jordan Brand go crazy with the Air Jordan 1 colorways. When we give it something simple like this, that you literally, you can wear this with anything, man. It's literally black and white. You got the white heel, as you guys can see right here. Check that out. And you do have the nice tumbled leather Nike swoosh going across it, man. I feel like this one right here, might get a little bit of love due to the fact, like I said, it is super easy to wear. It's wearable, not nothing too crazy with the colorway, and it's not a bad executed sneaker if you ask me. I know most people want the hype stuff. They want the Travis Scotts, they want the fragments, they want the off-whites and good jazz like that. But you want a nice day-to-day beater, a nice Air Jordan 1 that you can rock with a lot of different things. This right here probably gonna be for whoever's watching this video. There's probably somebody out there watching this video just for that simple reason. You didn't get any extra laces with these right here. Only came with the black laces that came equipped into the sneaker. And what I got y'all right here, man, you can see you do have the white Nike Air labeled on the tongue. Got your regular Air Jordan Wings logo up top right there. No Air Jordan on the side. I'm throwing shots at them rear matching black toes. But like I said, man, regular Wings logo right here, as you can see. It's nothing too crazy with the leather. It's nothing like too tumble, nothing too soft. I feel like it's a very generic Air Jordan 1. If I can reference it to anything, it would have to be like the Yin Yang pack that came out a long time ago. I feel like the leather was super trash on them. I didn't get any one of the pairs. I didn't get the white or the black pair, but I do remember picking them up, and both pairs were super flat. Like the leather had no tumbleness to it, and this kind of has the same thing in sort of sense, but it does have a little bit softer leather on the toe box right here, as you guys can see. We already did the on feet. I recommend you guys to go true to size. Me lately, I've been going up a half size just due to the fact that my ankle is just like literally swollen still to this day. I don't know if you guys remember last year, I had a huge boot on my ankle because I like tore a tendon or something like that. So lately, I don't know if that's helped me a lot, but I have been going up a half a size. But I recommend you guys go true to size if you got no foot issues, bro. Got your regular black outsoles, nothing cool down there. And just overall, like I said, man, it's a standard Air Jordan 1. You can't beat it. And I actually do see a little bit of tumbleness on the white Nike swoosh right there, but you can see behind it that black flat leather going on the side panels and around the toe box, man. You guys let me know down below in the comment section if you're gonna be passing up on these. You're gonna wait for them to go on sale. That's kind of one I want to hit on in the video. Definitely think you guys should wait, especially if you're not in dire need for a pair of Jordan 1s. Definitely wait for these to go on sale. Probably get these for like $100 if you got a couple of coupons. Wait for them to go on sale in a couple of different stores and stuff like that. I know Nike will be unveiling a huge sale very shortly due to all the Air Jordans that have been sitting like crazy, man. But again, let me know if you're gonna be snagging these. Let me know if you're passing. Cannot wait to read you guys' comments, man. I've been going crazy in the comment section. But what I need you guys to do right now is hit that like button, man. If you are new here to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, especially if you enjoy today's content. We're going to go ahead and throw these things on feet. Quick video. Just want to get you guys on feet. Do some basic jeans, some basic pants to go with these joints right here, just because it is a very simple sneaker, man. Peace.
Been bigger this year, jump out the crib, stack up my Cino this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real, I'm in control of my feels, you see my highlights and study my reel, yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year, the world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence, I'm serving up chills to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam, everything good on the side, everything coming together, new whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it, California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping, I pull up, she leaking, she want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes. Hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes. I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death. Get to the checks. Flex, yes. Got nothing to lose, it's on the prove. Come from the trench. Cuban links on my neck, tanking. Freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel. Freeze, running till I miss my season. Lay back, geeky. Smoking on dope, that diesel. Young get gone off the deep end. Running till I miss my season. I keep a stack of them blessings. I'm ballin', I'm play callin'. They chain on me matching my smile. You know that I stay saucin'. Wrist flooded, she drowning. We good on this side. Everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it. They heat it. California on the plate. I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking. She want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes. Hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes. I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death. Get to the checks. Flex, yes. Got nothing to lose, it's on the prove. Come from the trench. Cuban links on my neck, tanking. Freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel. Freeze, running till I miss my season. Lay back, geeky. Smoking on dope, that diesel. Young get gone off the deep end. Running till I miss my season.
Once we understand that it is through our five senses that these imprints are being made on our subconscious mind, we can then consciously begin to utilize our five senses to